In order to create an AMP Common Assessment, you'll first need to create a question bank. To do this, click on the Resources menu in Schoology and choose Assessment. On that next screen, you'll see the assessment teams in which you are enrolled. If you do not see a team here, you'll need to speak to your team leader, your assessment person, or your digital learning specialist to have you added. You will then choose the team in which you are part of. So I'll just choose Middle School Math here. Then you will see the folder structure that has been created for that team. In this case, it's created by grade, and then if I click into a grade, I will see further folder structure. So here's 6th grade math question banks, and I would just keep drilling down until I find my appropriate location. You can see here they are arranged by unit. Some teams are arranged by standard. For instance, in 6th grade ELA, if I click into the literature question bank, I will see that there is a sub-question bank for each of the standards. It's important that you follow the organization that's set up in your team's folder, and this structure should be decided as a team. Because of that, we wanted to give you a sandbox area to work for this course. So go into the team that is associated with your work, but then inside of that team you will find an on-demand sandbox. It's got a little orange folder. Click into that. That is where you will do your work for this course. Once you have created test banks in here, you can move these then into the structure decided by your team. Once you are in the appropriate folder, click on the Add Resources menu and choose Add Manage Question Bank. Here you can give your question bank a title. Once you have your question bank named, then you may begin to add questions with the little drop down below. Later, when your team has determined where this question bank should live, you can click the gear icon next to that bank and move it to your new location.